Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, September 9th. This is David and we are looking at a chart of the NYSE Trin. That is the Traders Index, or you might know it as the ARMS Index. And you might be wondering, hey, why are we talking about the Trin in a Fibonacci video? And we will get there in just a minute. But the thing that I want us to look at is how low a level that we closed at today, 0.44. And this is a sign of extremely strong buying. Basically, it means that not only did we have very positive breadth today, but that breadth was backed up by high volume in the advancing stocks, right? And higher volume in the advancing stocks than in the declining one. This and this number trended down all day, which is what we expect on a day like today when price continued up all day. However, when we get levels this low at the end of the day, often it can be a sign of just a buying crescendo that that takes us up, right, into a non-sustainable level and will often turn back down, just like Trin levels above 2 can often indicate, right, a selling crescendo. So we'll take that observation into our chart of the S&P 500, which, when we look at it, we'll see was a run up today to come back to the underside of this Voodoo Fire line at 40.83. This is an important level, and this is where the Fibonacci piece comes in, because this is derived from Fibonacci analysis along with some other math, right? And these fire lines are the most important of the Voodoo line levels. Now, that's not to say that we can't poke a little bit above here and then come back down below as resistance, but the sort of capitulatory buying that could be indicated by that extremely low Trin reading is perhaps an indication that we may have reached a spot that we might turn back down from. Now, beyond that, there are some other things that might suggest that levels in this region are resistant. So we'll start digging into those in the premium video, as well as what sort of action would start to confirm a turn back down. So I hope you found this useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.